Bartender was a woman that just had very obvious breast implants. Yeah, weird spot to laugh. That's a really weird. No one's ever laughed quite at that spot before, but thank you, sir.
5 minutes later.
I'm also at an age where most of my friends have kids, but I don't have kids, and my friends with kids hate that I don't have kids. The same way, like, drunks hate it when you're not drinking. That was the weirdest sound I've ever heard. Was that the same guy with the boobs? Was that the same guy? You just make weird sounds, don't you? What do you do when you orgasm? Like, some sort of weird noise.